Here's after pictograph, next one is representation of the data in bar graph. Okay, the same data we are going to represent in bar graph. Okay, bar graph. Bar graph, we have to learn some new things. Okay, so in bar graph, there are two axes there. Okay, two axes. This axis, this one is called H axis, and this is called Y axis. Okay, Y and X. Okay, so some sort of data we will represent here in that time. Here we will represent another data. Okay, so here I am going to represent fields. Okay, here I am in x-axis I am going to represent field. So that I will draw like this field. Okay, so this side I will represent what field. That time here is what a number of cabbage plants. Okay, number of cabbage plants. Okay, plants. Okay, number of cabbage plants. I just write it this way. Okay, number of cabbage plants. Okay, so this is y-axis and this is what x-axis. Okay, in here this point, this is our starting point. This field shows us what a 0 starting. Okay, so I told you here it is what a field we are representing. Each field is having a value a 150, 200, 250 like that. Values are same, isn't it? So here we can see that when we draw this one, here we have to take a 1 centimeter each. Okay, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5, 6, 7, like that up to that. Okay, to a mark. Okay, how many meters? 3 to 5. 5 it is there. Okay, that much is enough. Okay, actually, here according to our value we are taking or drawing the lines here 1 centimeter each. Okay, here like the pictograph, we have to make a key for this one. Okay, for example, key it is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is 100 cabbage plants. 1 centimeter is representing 100 cabbage plants. So this is 2 centimeter is 200. This is 300 and 400. Okay, 500, 600. Like that this going. Understand? So I will draw. So this is what a number of cabbage plants that we have to represent there. I just erase it. Okay, the values I am writing. This is 100, then 200, 300, 400. 500, then 600. Okay, this way. So the first field. So here also we can take a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's okay. So the first 0 to 1 here this actually fields only we are showing. Here it is numbers, isn't it? So in field A, what is the value? 150. 150 is actually between this 100 and middle of this one, isn't it? So field A you can show like this way. Field A, just the middle of, but because this is middle of it is 50, between 100 and 200 is what 150, isn't it? So it will come like this way. Field A, this field A, and this is we can write as field A. This is field A, or field A you can write on the like on inside here. Okay, A here or here you can write, no problem. Okay, this is field B. 200 is there. Okay, 200 means exactly this way, isn't it? Just to make a space here. Okay, and you can draw a straight of field B like this way. Understand? Now we can understand field A 150 is there. Field B, how many plants are there? 200 is there, because 1 centimeter here, 1 centimeter is 100 cabbage plants, isn't it? So here it is 200 cabbage plants is there. Is it 200 or 250? It is 200, isn't it? Yes, 200. Okay, now in field C is 250. 250 or 350? Sorry, it is 350, isn't it? 350. Okay, 350. 350 means it is 300. So between 400 and 300, middle of that one, it is what 350 comes. Okay, so this you have to check like this way, and that comes here. It's just a simple drawing only. If you have scale means just to take a middle of it, put a long scale. Okay, middle of 300 and 400, it will be like this way. Okay, just keep the scale like this way, and straight of this one. Okay, just to draw a line this way. Okay, and join down. Okay, then you will get the right exact value. Okay, now that is for a field. This is B and this is C. Okay, now D it is 500. Then take a space here. 500 is there here. Okay, like this way you have to draw it. Okay, 500. Now it is 600. This is what a bar graph. In bar graph, what you have things you have to keep up. We are having two axes, X and Y. One side will take the numbers, another side our data. Same data, so only two things we are representing. Okay, and it will be like a bars. Okay, data will be like a bar. This is called a what a bar graph. So we can represent our data in the mainly this one more thing is that we are not studying. Okay, pie chart is there that we are not studying. Here this year we have to study about a tabular form, pictograph and a bar graph. This is the only thing you are studying as well. This is the tabular form and pictographs we already learned. Okay, so bar graph we have to draw this way. Okay, remember about the numbers putting. Okay, and 1 centimeter is how much we can take instead of 100 we can take there also 50, isn't it? Then 150 1 centimeter 50, then 50, 100, 150, then it will be big. Understand? Then it is difficult to know. Okay, so like that way also you can write or you can take any numbers here. Okay, but that number should be have to be like this. Okay, it has to be come there. 600 we have to be counted. If you are taking 25 means 25, 50, 75, 100 have to be here. Like that very small units if you are taking it will be difficult. Okay, very high also if you are taking difficult. For example, instead of 100 you are taking 200, 600 means up to 200, 400, 600 up to we have to get it. Then we have to divide everything. So according to our data we have to make or divisions make the divisions of this one data. Okay, so this is what a bar graph. Okay, DS, thank you.